from my heart and from my hand. Why don't people understand my intention?
Well, good morning. Now that we've got question 1 and 2 out of the way regarding the body build and what direction we take that overall, now we need to start considering colour. Now for this question, I've actually moved the car outside to make it a little bit easier for you to see the colour that it is now. Now I will point out that the palette is restricted to blue because I do not want to mess around with the vehicle registration. Luckily on this particular registration it does only say blue, and if you look at the number of options that should pop up on the screen here regarding Austin colours, there's quite a range, so we do have quite a lot of flexibility, but we'll keep it within the blue palette. So let me just turn this around and show you the car outside in daylight. So from what I can tell from a colour match, this is actually called denim blue for the Clubman, and it is a metallic colour, as you can see. It is a nice colour and does suit this car quite well, but as I said, we've got quite a range to choose from, and we need to consider what direction to go. So obviously on the topic of colour, with there being so many different options, what I'm actually looking for of an opinion is actually a choice between keeping the original colour, whether we paint or wrap it, this colour can be matched, or whether we change the colour. And if we change the colour, we would probably go for a darker blue. So any feedback, suggestions, welcome. And actually if you want to go through the blue listings for the Austin Mini and pick out a colour yourself, again, all suggestions considered. Thanks again for listening. See you on the next video. Bye bye.